Amaze ako na pull off niya yung ganito. Siguro kasi part ng work niya nung pag-organize, pag-protocol, and masasabi ko ito yung dream niya.
Classmate, welcome to the club. Wish namin na more power, good health, and more Zumba. Basta encourage mo lang kami para sa healthy life.
Happy birthday, Ma. Kahit 10 years ago, nag-celebrate ka ng 50th birthday mo. Ngayon, 60th mo na at mukhang mas mahal yung paggagastasan mo.
Mamaya na-imagine ko na sobrang saya niya kasi ito yung isa sa mga dream events niya na kada milestone may ganitong magharabang party. Kasi nung 50th birthday niya, ganito rin. Pero mas bongga na yung ngayon.
Maribel, I'm so happy dahil na-reach mo yung 60 years. Welcome to the club. Wish ko lang sa'yo is good health at saka sana ay ma-maintain mo yung Queen of Zumba.
Gusto niya talaga ng mga ganitong events. Lahat ng mga mahal niya sa buhay, nasa isang gathering. So, siya talaga. Happy birthday, Maribel!
Happy birthday, Maribel!
Wish you everything, most especially good health, and stay as you are always.
Mama ay isang strong, independent woman. Growing up, siya ay isang masasabi ko na career woman kasi lagi siyang, may trabaho siya, pero hindi siya nawawala sa bawat milestones namin. Birthdays, kahit family days sa school, nandun siya. So kahit busy siya sa trabaho, lagi siyang may oras para sa pamilya.
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store.
Happy 60th birthday! We wish you a very fabulous 60th birthday. Welcome to the club, the Senior Club of the Philippines.
It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. My lucky day. Don't need a pot of gold, a rabbit's foot or to be told. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day.
Nini, salamat sa iyo at sana patuloy kang pagpalain ng ating Panginoon. Happy birthday!
Sip coffee on my couch.
Birthday wish ko sa'yo ay more time to do what you want to do. Hopefully, less stressful kasi kung mag-retire ka na, ay ma-enjoy mo na yung time mo na magpahinga.
It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. My lucky day. Don't need a pot of gold, a rabbit's foot or to be told. It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day.
Thank you very much. Happy birthday and cheers to a very beautiful and meaningful life. And I'm very happy for your children who are now also public servants. So thank you very much and let's enjoy the night.
Don't need a pot of gold, a rabbit's foot or to be told. It's my
Palakpakan po natin ang Panginoon for the life of Maribel. My nini, our youngest
sister, our Nini, dahil siya po ang aming bunso. Happy birthday, sister.
Don't